Hi everyone, welcome to Easy English with Jana and Diego.
Živijo.
Živijo. Se upravičujem zaradi najinih glasov. Nažalost naju niso sprejeli v operi, da bi midva pojčkala. Sva se pa prvo odločila, pa tukaj snemala. Zdaj je tole modna muha v Mehiki, zaradi tega, ker je vreme izjemno spremenljivo in je hladno in toplo in res večina nas je prehlajenih, tako da smo pač na slabem glasu, ampak to nas še vedno ne ustavi, da ne bi snemali. Spomnimo se, da smo v zadnjih 2 videih smo vadili trdilne in nikalne stavke z glagolom biti. Tako da bomo danes samo nekaj primerov napisali, zato da ponovimo pač to, kar smo se naučili na zadnje. Diego, we will do an exercise. We will review quickly affirmative and negative with the verb to be. So if you could please write down.
Okay.
I blank happy.
I blank happy.
Number 2,
Yes.
Vanya.
Oh, wait. Let me erase because I didn't put a number.
Okay.
1 minute, please. Put it in red.
Okay,
This is
then
number 1. It was what?
I blank
blank.
put hungry.
Hungry. Okay.
Okay.
2.
Number 2, Diego blank in parentheses not angry. Number 3, Vanya blank
Vanja is Vanja.
blank
Blank.
happy.
Happy.
Number 4,
4.
Timmy
I spell Timmy.
Timi
Timmy.
blank
Uh-huh.
in parentheses not
Uh-huh.
tired.
Uh-huh.
And number 5, Mojca
Uh-oh.
Mojca
Mojca.
blank
Blank.
thirsty.
Thirsty.
Če veste odgovore in ste jih že zapisali, pa preverite v nadaljevanju, če ste odgovorili pravilno. Sicer pa brez težav pritisnite na pauzo, odgovorite in potem preverite vaše odgovore. Diego, could you please give us the right answers?
Yes. I am hungry.
Jaz sem lačen oziroma lačna.
Diego isn't angry.
Diego ni jezen, danes pa ni jezen.
Vanya is happy.
Vanja je srečna.
Timmy isn't tired.
Timmy ni utrujen.
Mojca is thirsty.
Mojca je žejna. Jaz upam, da ste odgovorili pravilno. Če niste, v zadnji in predzadnji lekciji preverite, kako se te stvari streže in potem pač se vrnite na ta video. Diego, prosim, pobriši tablo.
Ja.
No, danes bomo pa se naučili delati vprašanja. Pridevnik bo vedno isti zaradi tega, da vas pač ne bom zmedla s preveč besedišča in da se bomo lahko osredotočili na pravilo. Number 1, Diego. I am happy.
I am happy.
Zdaj bomo pa naredili vprašanje. Please circle am, Diego, and put arrow in front of I. How do you make a question, Diego?
Am I happy?
Zadeva je enostavna, samo vrstni red prvih 2 besed se zamenja. In potem se odgovori trdilno. Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
In se ponovno zamenja vrstni red. Ali no, I am not. V angleščini se dvakrat zanika. Ne, nisem.
No, I am not.
Aha. Let's go to you. You are happy.
You are happy.
Please circle the right word and put the arrow and make a question.
Are you sorry. Are you happy?
If it's affirmative,
Yes.
you.
You are?
Uh-huh. Or negative, no.
You aren't.
Po isti logiki, samo zamenjajo se vrstni redi besed. Let's go with he,
Let me erase, no space.
please. Briši, briši.
Bishi bishi. Number 3.
He,
3. What?
he is happy.
He. Oops. He is happy.
Please circle and use the arrow.
Question. Is he happy?
An affirmative,
Yes. He is.
or negative,
No. He isn't.
why don't we check it for she, please?
She. Number 4. She is angry.
Happy.
Oh, sorry.
Why is she angry?
Happy. Change. Question. Is she happy?
Yes.
Wait, I'm circling the verb and the arrow. Yes. She is.
Or no?
Or no. She isn't.
Could you please circle before you write the question? In the next ones.
Sure.
Ok. Briši, briši. Zdaj bomo pa še za množino.
What number?
5, I think. No, it. Yes, 5.
Uh-huh.
It.
It?
Aha. Pardon, še ono nam je zmanjkalo. It is happy.
It is happy.
Please circle first so we know
We
how
circle
to
the
do it.
verb. We put the arrow. Is it happy? Yes. It is.
Or if it's no,
Or no, it isn't.
now let's make it for we, please. Zdaj gremo pa v množino.
6. We
Aha.
are happy. Circle. Arrow. Are we happy?
Yes.
Yes. Oops. Yes. We are.
Or if it's no,
No. We aren't.
we won't do it for you because it's the same as for singular. Za you ne bomo naredili za množino, ker je enak postopek kot za ednino. We're missing they.
Briši, briši.
Briši, briši.
Number 6.
They
are happy.
circle.
Circle. And arrows. And are they happy? Affirmative.
Yes.
Yes. They are.
Or
No, they aren't.
briši, while I'll explain something. Ko smo se učili osebne zaimke, je bil you izjema, se spomnite, ko je bilo recimo Mojca and you in je bil, si videl you in smo vedeli, da je pač osebni zaimek you. No, tudi tukaj je izjema, ne? Mi smo zdaj pač to zadevo obdelali, to je teoretično. Ampak če nekdo vpraša, ali si ti srečen, ne boš odgovoril, ja, ti si, ampak boš rekel, ja, jaz sem. Ne? Tako da, ko vidite you v vprašanju, razmislite, ali gre za ednino ali za množino in temu primerno odgovorite, recimo, če te nekdo vpraša, are you happy? Odgovorite, yes, I am, ali no, I'm not, če ugotovite, da je za ednino. Če pa za množino, pa rečete, yes, we are, or no, we aren't. Tukaj, ko dobite you, naj se vam ena lučka vžge, pa razmislite, ne spomnite se, da je treba pač majčkeno logiko vklopiti. Now we will do the exercise, Diego.
Number 1.
Number 1. Vasya. Do you know how to spell it?
I think so. Is it Vasji?
Uh-huh.
I'm sorry, A?
Space. Is. Intelligent. And now please make 3 blanks and a question mark. Tukaj imate trdilni stavek in prosim naredite vprašanje. Is Masha
This is number 2?
Number 2, sorry, yes. Is Masha creative?
Is Masha creative?
Ali je Maša kreativna? Yes, blank, blank. Period.
Period.
Number 3. Is Anže, A-N-Z-E, lazy? Ali je Anže linčkan? No, blank, blank. Period.
We have no more space.
Really?
Really?
Not even to answer this one?
What do you mean?
Did you put blank, blank to
Yes.
answer this one?
No, blank, blank.
Okay. Well, no, če ste že zdaj odgovorili, preverite vprašanja, če pa ne, pa pritisnite pauzo in preverite pravilne odgovore. Diego, could you give us the correct answers, please?
The first one was Vasya blank is intelligent.
No, Vasya is intelligent.
Oh, I'm sorry. No blank.
No.
Vasya is intelligent.
Make a question, please. Please
Is-
circle with arrow to explain.
Yes. Is Vasya intelligent? 2. Is Masha creative? Yes. She is.
Correct.
Is Anže lazy? No. He isn't.
Okay. Jaz upam, da ste odgovorili pravilno. Morali bi, če ste sledili pouku, če niste klepetali s sošolci, lahko naj všečkate, delite tole lekcijo s komarkoli.